Welcome back. Our next guest has a passion for preserving and sustaining the unique heritage of the Hawaiian landscape.
From their farm in Mililani, Hawaiian Turfgrass provides high-quality grass for home lawns, sports fields, and golf courses across the islands, and you voted them the best of Hawaii. Joining us today is the president of Hawaiian Turfgrass, Sean Fong.
What's up,
my brother?
Aloha.
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
Thank you.
And I gotta ask you, what does it mean to be voted #1 best lawn installation year after year? This is not the first time you've been here.
It's
right?
an honor, it's a blessing, and we're really fortunate for our clients, our customers to be voting us #1. Thank you very much.
Right on.
Yeah, you work hard. I've been out there to the Mililani place. It's beautiful. You folks work so hard. For people who may not be familiar though with Hawaiian Turfgrass, tell us a little bit about the company and how the company has evolved over the years.
Yes, so we're a small local family farm. We are a grass farm, and we started with a vision of planting grass and evolved to contractors where we specialize in grass installations. We try to set our customers up for success, not skipping any steps and providing a quality product.
I like that. We got some of the product over here. In fact, if I can I take us on a little tangent?
Sure.
Oh boy,
I'm
brother.
so sorry.
I'm scared.
Because choke people are watching this year's World Cup.
Oh, yeah,
Of course,
for
you're
sure.
watching for the players, but what about that grass? That grass looks so good. What kind is that?
That's a Tahoma 31 Bermuda grass, and we're super excited because we have the license and an exclusive license here in Hawaii. So it makes it even better and easier for us to market and promote our grass when it's being showed on such a high-profile event or events.
Free commercial right there for you guys. Everybody go, oh, nice that grass.
What kind of familiar fields have the Tahoma right now that you can tell us?
So locally, we're very fortunate to provide for Moanalua High School football field, Waialua, and recently Mid-Pac soccer field.
Nice. That's so cool.
Brother, that's amazing. I mean, if the pros are going to play on that,
Yeah.
it's definitely something you want in your lawn, right?
What's
or on your field.
What's exciting is over half the games of the World Cup will be played on Tahoma 31, and that includes the championship game at Levi Stadium.
I like field of grass.
Is it nice?
She feels nice.
She nice.
Carpet-like, soft texture.
Yeah.
It's amazing grass.
Yeah.
I like wearing like on toupee, if I'm being honest.
And this is this one that's slightly taller in
So
the
that's
blade.
for residential. By far, the most popular variety is the El Toro Zoysia. Low maintenance, drought tolerant, chokes out weeds, very homeowner friendly.
That's right. Because, it is the beginning of summer, right? And we want to make sure that our lawns are going to stay beautiful. Can you share some of the common mistakes that we make when installing or maintaining a lawn?
Choosing the right variety, full sun, varieties most likely require full sun. We do have a shade tolerant variety, and then it all boils down to maintenance. Mowing it frequently, preferably every 1 to 2 weeks.
Even in the summertime.
The summertime it grows faster, so you can tell who mows and who doesn't mow just by driving down the street. And definitely the nicer lawns, they're putting in the effort and the maintenance for basically mowing, keeping it low, keeping it manageable.
Okay, last summer we learned some really good tips for you, so thank you for sharing that for this upcoming summer season. Quick question about erosion. Do you guys have like a grass that can address that to keep our soil intact?
Well, grass is one of the best soil erosion plants because of the fibrous and rigorous root system. Once you plant the grass, you shouldn't have any dust issues, erosion, or muddy areas. So it actually is a great soil erosion control plant.
It's important, especially coming off of the 2 kona lows where we saw a lot of the lepo being
Just
eroded.
gone.
So this is a great solution to that, especially because we're in the hurricane season and we don't know. It's supposed to be an above average season, so this would be a great time to call Sean and our Ohana at Hawaiian Turfgrass.
Yes.
For sure. I love it. Thank you so much for the tips. And thank you so I'm kind of crazy now about the Tahoma. I'm going to watch all the games. I don't know nothing about soccer. Some of the guys is good looking for sure, but it's the grass that's really good looking. And if you want the good looking grass, make sure you go see Sean. Sean Fong, president of our Hawaiian Turfgrass. Check him out at hawaiianturfgrass.com. The best of Hawaii in lawn installation. Mahalo, brother.
Thanks, Sean.
Thank you.
All right, here's